Good morning, all of you. Myself, Dharmendra sir, and you're most welcome in DSS online English class. And now we are going to discuss the rest of the paragraph of a chapter in the Kingdom of Fools. Student, this is story of a amusement. It's an interesting story which give you a lot of lot of fun, lot of amusement, and by which we can understand that how a fool can behave, and how could we avoid the a company of a fool. Because in this story, it is give us a suggestion that a fool is always a dangerous dangerous thing for us. A fool can be harmful in anywhere if you do not avoid the company of a such person. So, student, it's a moral and it's a message to all that we should avoid such a company that like a fool. So, student, let's start the rest of the paragraph and we try to understand the deeper meaning of this chapter. So let's start. As soon as he arrived, that means now you got the situation and the state of this story, that when the disciple got himself in a problem and there is no way to escape himself, so he just remember his guru, and his guru had a visionary skill. So visionary skill, so he listened the inner urge of his disciple, and as soon as possible he listened, he just arrived in front of a disciple, and he scolded the disciple and told him something in a whisper. And at first, when he arrived, he scolded his disciple and told him something in whisper sound. Whisper sound means very low sound in his ear. Then he went to the king and addressed him. Then he went straight to the king and addressed him, O wisest of the king. That means he said to the king that wisest. Wisest here the superlative degree. That means wise of all. Wise among all. That means wisest of kings. Who is greater, the guru or the disciple? And ask a question to the king that who is greater, guru or the disciple? That means guru had a lot of intelligence, a lot of mind, that he can rescue himself and his disciple from the difficult situation. So he makes some tricks to the with the king and asked to the king that, please tell me who is greater, guru or disciple. Then king said, of course the guru, no doubt about it. Why do you ask? Then in amazement, king reflect or ask a question to the guru that why are you asking such a silly question? Of course, everyone knows that the guru is more greater than the disciple. Then put me to the stake first. Then the sant or the guru of the disciple said, so please put me to the stake first, because I am the guru and I am greater than the disciple. Put my disciple to death after me, and then after you put the disciple to the stake after me. That means वो कहते हैं कि भाई गुरु बड़ा होता है, इसलिए सबसे पहले आप मुझे स्टेक पर डालो, इसके बाद आप मेरे डिसिपल को डालना. एंड व्हाट इज रीजन बिहाइंड इट? लेट मी रीड. When the disciple heard this, he understand and began to clamor, me first. And when disciple heard that things or the words of a guru, he began to clam. Clam, that means give a force on the word that not sir, not my guru. Put me to stake first to me. That means नहीं नहीं मुझे पहले डालो, नहीं नहीं मुझे पहले डालो. मुझे पहले स्टेक पर ले जाओ. You brought me here first. Because you brought me here first, that is, it's a legal justice that you put me first on the stake, put me to death first, not him, and put me to death, give me to death, and then not to him. That means सबसे पहले मुझे स्टेक पर ले चलो, गुरु का नहीं, क्योंकि आप मुझे पहले लाए थे. Such things is said by the disciple. The guru and the disciple now got into a fight about who should go first. Then they began to fight with each other. Not a fight that means kicking to each other. It's just a argument. It's just a vast discussing that put me on a stake first, put me on a stake first. This types of argument began to continue with the guru and disciple. So here these things is expressed by saying fight. The king was puzzled by this behavior, and by seeing this behavior, by hearing such a kinds of silly argument, the king became very puzzled, because he never saw in his career that the person are fighting to गॉड द डेथ पनिशमेंट फर्स्ट. मतलब उसने अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं ये देखा होगा कि एक पर्सन मौत की सज़ा पाने के लिए लड़ाई लड़ रहे, नहीं पहले मुझे मारो, पहले मुझे मारो. सो ही गॉट सम पजल्ड. ही आस्क्ड टू गुरु, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू डाई? वी चूज हिम बिकॉज वी नीडेड अ फैट मैन फॉर द स्टिक. देन द किंग आस्क्ड टू द गुरु दैट व्हाई आर यू फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर, एंड व्हाई डू यू वांट टू come on stake and want to get die? Because I have chosen him because we needed a fat person, and that is suited for the stake. So why shouldn't ask me such a question? Put me to death first, replied the guru. Then guru said to the king that why are you asking me such a silly question? You want to give a you want to person for the stake. So why should we not put me to that stake? So please don't argue like this and put me on the stake first. Will you promise to put me to death if I tell you? Asked the guru. Sorry, one line is missing. So let's see the why. There is some mystery here. As a wise man, you must make me understand. Why? There's some mystery here. Then he said that there is some mystery. A wise man, you must make me understand. And you are a wise man, just make me understand that why are you saying like so? Will you promise me to death if I tell you the truth? Asked the guru. Then guru said, at first you have to promise that you will have to put me on the death if I tell you the truth. That means अगर मैं आपको सच्चाई बताता हूँ तो आपको प्रॉमिस करना होगा कि आप मुझे पहले स्टेक पर ले जाएंगे. दैट मीन्स मुझे डेथ पनिशमेंट देंगे. द किंग गेव हिम his solemn words. The guru took him aside. Then king accepted that he will give him death at first. So the guru took the king aside, took up the servant earshot and whispered to him. Out of the servant's earshot and whispered him. And then in a whisper sound, he said to the king that, do you know why we want to die right now? King, oh king, why do you want to die first right now? Just two of us. We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or a king like you. That means we kept on roaming here and there entire the world, but we never got such a city and such a king like you. You are the very wisest king, and this city is very remarkable, very outstanding city. That stake is a stake of God of justice. And what the stake you prepared here for the death, it is not an ordinary stake. It is a stake of God. That means student, here you come to know that what the trick is going on here. That means यहाँ पर कौन सी ट्रिक चल रही है ये तो आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा ना कि अब राजा को किस तरह से बेवकूफ़ बना रहा है. दैट मीन्स देयर इज नो नीड टू मेक अ फूल टू हिम बिकॉज ही इज ऑलरेडी फूल. बट द किंग, द गुरु, tried to escape himself and his disciple from that foolish king, fool king. So he said like this: it's new, it has never had a criminal on it, and this stake is new and it had never a criminal on it. That means ये एक नया स्टेक है और इसलिए अभी तक किसी क्रिमिनल को मारा नहीं गया है. Whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this country, and who will got death by this stake, he will definitely reborn as the second king of as a king of this country. मतलब जो इस स्टेक से मरेगा वो मरने के बाद फिर दोबारा जन्म लेकर इस कंट्री का राजा बनेगा. And whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country, and whoever dies the next, he will be the minister after reborn. मतलब जो इसके बाद मतलब मेरे बाद बनेगा वो फ्यूचर मिनिस्टर बनेगा इस कंट्री का. वी आर सिक ऑफ आवर एक्सेटिक लाइफ. It would be nice to enjoy ourselves as a king and minister for a while, and we are just got sick like a sand of like a life of a sand, and we are got tired by walking here and there, roaming here and there like a sand. So we want to just live like a king, like a minister, rest of the life. Now keep your words, my lord, and put us to death. Me first, remember. So, king, as you promised that after hearing the truth of the death, you put me first on the stake. So please obey your promise and put us to the death first. The king was now thrown into a deep thought. Then king began to think that what is the reason behind it and what is going to be happened. Like this means अब इसके पीछे रीजन क्या है, क्या होने वाला है, और ये तो मरेगा तो राजा बनेगा, फिर ये जिसका जो डिसिपल है मरेगा तो मिनिस्टर बनेगा. दिस थिंग इज गोइंग with them. He didn't want to lose his kingdom to someone else in the next round of life, and he didn't want to lose his kingdom after his death. That means वो इतना फुल था कि वो ये सोचता था कि मरने के बाद भी मतलब रीबॉर्न होने के मतलब मरने के बाद भी वो और इस राज्य को छोड़ना नहीं चाहता था, उस राज्य का राजा बना रहना चाहता था. He needed time. Sorry, deep thought is this. He needed time, so he ordered the execution postponed to the next day and talked in secret with his minister. So he postponed the execution and summoned all the minister into his courtroom and discussed secretly with them. It's not right for us to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. And he said to the minister, that's not good to leave the king in a future for the others. मतलब भविष्य में ये किंगडम किसी और को रूल ओवर हो, ये वो नहीं चाहता था, इसलिए वो अपने जो मिनिस्टर से उनसे बात करता है. लेट्स गो ऑन द स्टेक ourselves and we will be the reborn as king and minister again. And then he suggests to his minister that let's ourselves put on a stake. That's why we will become king and minister after reborn. That means चलो स्टेक पर हम ही चलते हैं और मरने के बाद भी हम राजा मतलब मैं राजा बनूंगा और तुम मिनिस्टर बनोगे. इस तरह से अपनी मिनिस्टर्स को ये एक सजेशन देता है. Holy men do not tell lies, and he also said that the guru is a holy man and the holy man never tells a lie. वो कहता है कि जो गुरु है वो होली मैन है और होली मैन कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते. And the minister agreed. And after hearing this, द मिनिस्टर बिकम एग्रीड हो जाते हैं. सो टोल्ड द एग्जीक्यूशनर्स, वी विल सेंड द क्रिमिनल्स टुनाइट. एंड सो किंग टोल्ड द एग्जीक्यूशनर्स दैट वी विल सेंड द क्रिमिनल्स टुनाइट. दैट मीन्स कि हम रात में क्रिमिनल्स को वन बाय वन भेजेंगे. Then the first man comes to you, put him to death first. And when the first man came to you, you put him to the death stake. जब पहला व्यक्ति आपके पास आएगा तो तुम उसे क्या करना, स्टेक पर ले जाना एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए. Then do the same the second man, then the second will come and you do the same things. Those are my orders, don't make any mistake. And also he gave force on the words that it's my order and never do a mistake. That night the king as in minister went secretly to the prison, released the guru and disciple. And that night king and minister went to the prison and released to the guru and disciple. That means after making a plan for the execution, king at first decided to release the guru and disciple. So he went with his minister to the prison and let them free, set them free, disguised themselves as the two, and as arranged forehand with royal servant were taken to the stake and promptly executed. And then so they did this. When the bodies and king went to the executioner first and then after ministers. And what happened, you just focus that. आप तो इस बात का अंदाज़ा लगा ही सकते हो कि क्या हुआ होगा. मीन्स राजा पहले गया तो एग्जीक्यूशन सबसे पहले राजा को फिर मतलब उसको सजा दी गई. देन मिनिस्टर्स गए, उनको सजा दी गई. व्हाट हैपेंड इन द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन द बॉडीज वर टेकन डाउन टू बी थ्रोन टू द crows and vulture, the people panicked. And when the bodies came out from the execution room and it is going to be thrown in front of the crow and vultures, when the people saw the body become panic. लोग जब उस bodies को देखे panicked हो गए. They saw before them the dead bodies of the kings and ministers. The city was in confusion. And what were the bodies? The bodies were the king and the minister. And after seeing this, entire city become confused. जब पूरा इस बॉडी को देखते हैं कि वो तो राजा और मिनिस्टर मरा हुआ है, तो पूरी सिटी कंफ्यूज हो जाती है. All night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the guru and disciple and caught up with them up as they were preparing to leave the town unnoticed. And rest of the people began to think about the future of this kingdom, because the kingdom had without king. अब तो उस किंगडम का किंग मर चुका था, कोई राजा तो था नहीं. So the people of that kingdom become to think about the future of that kingdom. And one of them suddenly thought about the guru and disciple who were about to leave without any notice to the people of that kingdom. That means वो राजा उस सभी गांव को, सभी किंगडम के लोग परेशान होने लगे कि भाई अब इस राज्य का क्या होगा. तो तभी उसमें से एक पर्सन को तुरंत उस गुरु और डिसिपल की याद आई, क्योंकि गुरु इज नोन एज द वाइज पर्सन, क्योंकि गुरु जो है एक बुद्धिमान पर्सन के रूप में जाना जाता है. इसलिए उसे लगा कि वाई शुडेंट वी गिव हायरार्की टू द किंग ऑफ गुरु एंड द मिनिस्टर टू द डिसिपल. क्यों नहीं ये जो हायरार्की है ये हम उस गुरु और उस शिष्य को दे दें. वी पीपल नीड अ किंग एंड मिनिस्टर, सेड समवन, अदर एग्रीड. They begged the guru and disciple to be their king and the minister. So they begged to the king, to the guru and to the disciple to be the king and minister. It didn't take any argument to pursue the disciple, but it took longer to pursue the guru. But here the disciple saw his eagerness. यहाँ भी जो disciple था वो अपनी eagerness दिखाता है. He didn't take a minute, but the guru take a longer time to pursue. They finally agreed to rule the kingdom of the foolish king and the silly minister. And finally they decided to do what they want. इसके बाद उन लोगों ने डिसाइड कर लिया कि ठीक है हम वो करेंगे जो आप चाहते हो. On the condition that they could change all the old laws. But Guru put a condition before them that the kingdom will run according to his law, not according to foolish king. मतलब उन्होंने कहा कि भाई रूल जो होगा, जो किंगडम होगा वो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग चलेगा, मेरे लॉज के अकॉर्डिंग चलेगा, ना कि वो जो पहले रूल चला करता था उस रूल के अकॉर्डिंग. And from then on, night would again be night and day would again be day, and you could get nothing for a do-do. It become like any other place. And then after, the kingdom become an ordinary kingdom, because what do you mean by ordinary? Ordinary, that means the day will become day and the night will become night. Would again be night and the day would again be day. And everything what used to shoulder on a single to-do, its laws has been also break down, and everything has been casted according to their own values and their own importance. That means सभी चीज़ों को उनके values के according अब फिर से उनके अलग अलग दाम हो गए. रात होने लगी, दिन होने लगा. रात में लोग आराम करते थे, दिन में अपने काम करते. दैट मीन्स जैसे ऑर्डिनरी जो सिटीज थी, ऑर्डिनरी किंगडम थे, बिल्कुल ऑर्डिनरी किंगडम की तरह यहाँ भी रूल चलने लगा. एंड इट बिकम लाइक एनी अदर प्लेस, एंड इट इज जस्ट बी लाइक एनी अदर प्लेस. सो स्टूडेंट, इट्स अ वेरी interesting story. And what the moral have you got also? That is, give us a moral that we should avoid such a company of a fool, because fool are dangerous. Fool are always dangerous. So student, use your time and try to do all the things yourself. Write answer of the given question, and if you have any doubt on the given question, then you can ask me on my WhatsApp number, or you can call me personally to me. So thank you.